Hey everyone, are you ready to witness one of the most spectacular celestial events, a solar eclipse? But wait, before you rush out to catch a glimpse, have you thought about how to safely view it? Today I've got an awesome DIY project for you, creating your very own solar eclipse glasses. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be all set to watch the sun in style and safety. First things first, let's gather all the materials you'll need. Don't worry, it's nothing too fancy. You'll need a large piece of poster board or cardstock, a template for your glasses, a solar filter, blue painter's tape, scissors, and a pen. Oh, and if you've got an old pair of 3D glasses lying around, even better. Now, before we dive in, let's talk safety. When it comes to solar filters, it's crucial to use the right ones. NASA-approved filters are the way to go, folks. Avoid household alternatives like colored film or X-ray film. They just won't cut it. We're talking about your precious eyesight here, so let's keep it safe and stick to the good stuff. So, where do you get these magical NASA-approved filters? Look no further than reputable brands like Rainbow Symphony. Their solar film is top-notch, scratch-resistant, and it gives you that perfect warm hue when viewing the sun. Plus bonus points. You can use it with your binoculars, cameras, or telescopes too. Alright, now that we've got our safety sorted, let's dive into the fun part, making our frames. If you're starting from scratch, grab that poster board and template. Or if you're feeling thrifty, pop out the lenses of those old 3D glasses. Easy peasy. Time to bring out the solar filter. Measure and cut it to fit perfectly over the eye holes of your glasses. Remember, handle it with care. We don't want any scratches or punctures ruining our viewing experience, and make sure to leave a little overlap to keep that pesky light out. Now, let's secure that solar filter in place with some trusty blue painter's tape. If you're using poster board, don't forget to attach the earpieces too. We want those glasses to stay put while we're soaking in the solar spectacle. Last but not least, it's time for a test run. Head to a dark room, slip on your glasses, and have a friend shine a flashlight your way. If any bright light sneaks through, it's back to the drawing board, literally. But don't worry, it's all part of the process. Once you pass the test, you're all set to enjoy the real deal. Subscribe for more.